This evening, there is new information about the young investors fueling what has been billed as a David and Goliath trade war. As KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan found out, these traders could be endangering themselves and creating a bubble for other traders.
Well, so far they're making money as these stocks continue to go up and up and up. But some see danger ahead for the market and themselves.
It gives you what your portfolio is worth, like your day, whether you're up or down.
Pitt grad student Andrew Koke is one of a new generation of so-called Robinhood investors, whose ranks have now swelled to 13 million. Mostly millennials or even younger Gen Zers who are suddenly buying and selling stock on the app with the same name.
When you download the app, it just asks for basic information and then put in a small deposit or whatever, and it makes it real easy to invest in stuff.
Ease to some, but danger in the eyes of others. In the past 6 months, these young investors have been major drivers in the stock market's dizzying rise. Robinhood investors have helped bid up stocks like Tesla and Bitcoin cryptocurrency more than 400%. And just this week, quadrupled the price of Gamestop in just 3 days, taking major hedge funds who shorted the stock to the cleaners and causing general alarm on Wall Street.
It's combining the elements that these younger people are accustomed to. The handheld phone, the gamification, all the graphics. It makes it interesting and intriguing. That might be good in some respects, but the end result is very dangerous.
Advisors like Rick Applegate say despite the warnings, the young investors are pressing on, following the mantra of the man who some call their Pied Piper.
Stocks only go up.
David Portnoy is the founder of Barstool Sports, who credits himself with starting the movement. When sports shut down last April and he could no longer bet on games, Portnoy very publicly began day trading.
Join the revolution. Start buying, don't sell, don't scare.
So people think the market just goes up. There's no risk, there is risk.
Following Portnoy's lead during COVID, young investors like Andrew simply jumped from sports gaming sites onto Robinhood, and Applegate fears their stock picking is just another form of gambling.
Where they can push the button, put a $10 trade on the game that next day and see if they won any money. They're doing that now with stocks. That is not investing. That is still gambling.
In a statement, Robinhood says it's democratized investing for a new generation. Quote, "We designed Robinhood to be mobile first and intuitive, with the goal of making investing feel more familiar and less daunting for an entire generation of people previously cut out of the financial system." But in addition to so-called pump and dump schemes like GameStop, these young people are venturing into even more exotic forms of investing like options trading.
So they're going to get caught in a situation that's going to cost them big time.
But Robinhood says it's empowering young investors to build wealth, once the province of the rich. Quote, "Our focus has always been on breaking down systemic barriers to investing to help more people take control of their finances." Andrew says he's a small-time player and has turned a few $100 into about $1,500 for now. He's heard the warnings, but believes he has everything in check.
Yeah, there's always going to be ups and downs, but you just got to survive through it, and eventually it'll pay off for you.
Now these young investors find themselves at odds with federal regulators and with Robinhood itself, which this week limited their ability to buy more GameStop. But they tell me they are in the market for keeps. Reporting on the North Shore, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.